The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wise County in north central Texas, northern Parker County in north central Texas, until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:05 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pooville, or 13 miles southwest of Bridgeport, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Decatur, Bridgeport, Briar, Reno, Springtown, Alvord, New Fairview, Aurora, Boyd, Chico, Pooville, Paradise, Runaway Bay, Lake Bridgeport, Advance, Greenwood, Cottondale, Park Springs, Keeter, and Balzora. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Denton County in north central Texas, Cook County in north central Texas, until 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:12 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sanger, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Sanger, Lindsay, Callisburg, Ray Roberts Park Isle du Bois, Ray Roberts Park Johnson Branch, Hubert H. Moss Lake, Lake Kiowa, Roadrunner, Valley View, Walnut Bend, Lois, Sturgeon, Lake Ray Roberts, Sybil's Bend, Bolivar, Ura, Woodbine, Dexter, and Burns. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 474 and 503. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wise County in north central Texas, northern Denton County in north central Texas, until 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:50 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Crum, or 12 miles east of Decatur, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Denton, Sanger, Prosper, Salina, Crum, Pilot Point, Aubrey, Krugerville, Crossroads, Ray Roberts Park Isle du Bois, Ray Roberts Park Johnson Branch, Ponder, Lincoln Park, Greenwood, Providence Village, Stony, Bolivar, Slidell, Lake Ray Roberts, and Louisville Lake. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
In the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wise County and northern Denton County until 3:45. A severe thunderstorm located 9 miles west of Crum in western Denton County, or 12 miles east of Decatur, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This storm may yet contain hail to the size of ping pong balls and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Denton, Sanger, Prosper, Crossroads, Ray Roberts Park, Isle du Bois, Johnson Branch, Lincoln Park, and Bolivar are all in the path of this thunderstorm. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for northeastern Wise and northern Denton counties until 3:45. A severe thunderstorm is located 9 miles west of Crum with ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 55, effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Bosque, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hill, Hood, Johnson, Parker, Somerville, Tarrant, and Wise. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. In Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Parker County in north central Texas until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cool or over Mineral Wells, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Weatherford, Mineral Wells, Azle, Briar, Willow Park, Reno, Aledo, Springtown, Brock, Hudson Oaks, Western Lake, Annetta, Pooville, Cool, Lake Mineral Wells, Lake Weatherford, Annetta South, Annetta North, Millsap, and Sanctuary. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for North Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Parker County until 6 p.m. A severe thunderstorm is located over the community of Cool, near Mineral Wells, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This storm did produce a tornado warning upstream in Stevens County about 1 hour ago. Hail damage to vehicles is expected with quarter-sized hail and a 70 mile per hour wind gust. The storm is moving east at 45 miles per hour. A tornado watch is also in effect until 10 o'clock for all of north central Texas. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until 6 o'clock for Parker County. The severe thunderstorm is located near Mineral Wells, moving east from Palo Pinto into Parker County at 45 miles per hour, potential 70 mile per hour wind gusts, and quarter-sized hail. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tarrant County in north central Texas until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:34 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near White Settlement, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Tarrant County, including White Settlement, Benbrook, and Fort Worth. Hazard: 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expects considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Halton City, Keller, Coppell, Hearst, Burleson, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, White Settlement, Crowley, and Forest Hill. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for North Central Texas. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Where did it say that storm was located?